Hello again, everyone. This may not look too exciting, but what's in here is a boho caddy from Speckled Fawns. So I just got it out of the box, and I just wanted to open it up and reveal it on camera here. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right. Oh my goodness, what a pretty thing. Okay, so I've been waiting for this for a really long time. Speckled Fawns has been sending things out during this whole quarantine time, but they've been a little slower just because they've been having to move materials from location to location and all kinds of stuff. I mean, I'm just happy they're open and doing business. But this, I've been wanting to get the Boho Caddy for a while, and it came available again at this point, a few months ago. So I went ahead and ordered it, and here it is. So I'm not quite sure what I plan to use it for yet. I was thinking that I could maybe put washi tape in it. And actually, where do I, no, I don't have it handy, so I can't do it now. But if I end up doing that, I might show you all. But it's very roomy. I could put pens. Let's see. Obviously, it's going to be super big for pens, but if I just packed it full, I mean, these would be about the height of this thing. Yeah, I think maybe washi, or maybe I have a collection of Illustring elastics that I don't really have anywhere to put, so anywhere to put them. So I think I might put all that in there. You know, hang on just a second. I probably do have that nearby. Okay, so where I was keeping it, or where I am keeping it right now, is in this kind of big, I can't even fit it on my camera, it's so big, is this kind of big bag that just has a little closure here where you cinch it up. And this is from Boho. I really don't want to butcher the name, but I'll put a link below. She's a maker in Canada, and she makes all these really beautiful bags of a variety of types, and this is a woven bag. And I was keeping it in there, but it's a little big for these things. So, oh, and this is this is all my, what are these called? These are things that you can keep your strings in a traveler's notebook, but you don't have to have the knot inside. I've forgotten the name of them, but you can only buy them in a big old batch. That's why I have that in there. But and I also have this. This is turning into kind of a weird reveal. So this is actually a thing that you can, say you have a sweater that has a tear in it or something, you can, assuming the area of the tear is just about this big, you can put that area here and then put it, there's a rubber band here, you can put the rubber band around that and it'll hold it taut while you repair it. So, and you could either embroider over it or try to match the knitting. So that's why I got that. That's been sitting around just waiting for something to mend. I actually have quite a few things to mend, I just haven't gotten around to it. But the things that I was thinking I could put in the boho pouch, so these are all, this is my bag of Illustring elastics. So, I'm wondering if I should just leave it in. I have them in a Chic Sparrow bag, because that just seemed like a way to separate them out. But I have a ton of them, and I have some elastics, another bag in here of elastics that I took off of other notebooks, which I won't really open. But I will put that in there and see how that goes. Yeah, that way I might be able to separate that out. So I'll put that there. And then the washi tape is in another Chic Sparrow bag, but I think what I will do is I will take that out and put it in here. Actually, let me just dump it. See how that works. Ah, yes. I think that fits really well, actually. All right. Well, there you go. elastic bands and washi tape. And I can even probably put that down in there as well. This probably doesn't really fit, but I can find another place for that. And that way I can use that bigger bag for something else. All right. But then that'll look really pretty holding these things. At one point I just had washi tape like everywhere on my desk, so this will be better. All right, well, I just wanted to show you that real quick. And I think that's it for me today. So have a great day. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.